Biscuit the Cockatiel swooped into the sunlit garden with a moonlit picnic plan and a pocket full of giggles. He fluffs his crest like a crown, decorates a leaf umbrella, and trains a seed crumb to behave. A curious ladybug serves as the tiny critic as Biscuit narrates every snack move with overblown dignity. When the breeze snatches the napkin, Biscuit choreographs a playful rescue that ends in a triumphant dance. Friends cheer, biscuits vanish, and Biscuit bows to the audience with a cheerful chirp.